Alright y'all, we've got the brand new Alliance Valor toy hauler, the 44v14. I actually caught a sneak peek of this RV. If you look in one of our older videos, we saw it out on the lot at the factory before it was ever announced. Woo! Right? So, this is the 44v14. Now, out of all the toy haulers, we like a lot of seating, a lot of couches. The 40v13 has been a good fit for us. This one is kind of a next step up into what I think would be the ultimate RV for us. However, the girls have been like not too into toy haulers, so let's go check this out and see what we think about it. All right, here we go, 44v14. It has a big truck, big RV sticker on the side. What happened? How did he pull that off? I love Astel. And look at how thick this is. Nice thick walls. What you got? What you got up here? Oh, you're...
Oh no! It's coming! Oh! Just like that one pantry.
We're already feeling an improvement in the temperature in this one. We've got adjustable shelves in here. You see that, Kira?
Huh? What?
So you can put a washer and dryer right here. Or you can move these shelves up and down however you want. Or you can hang clothes up from the top. That's pretty cool. Watch, open the side. Now open that slide, and you reveal another closet. A secret little closet. There's one on each side. Hidden storage right here in the dresser.
I don't think they take this through.
TV, the 12-volt TV. These air conditioners. So, it is a little bit wonky. You are correct. I see power outlets in the side right here on both sides of this king-size bed. Kira, grab your phone.
It scares me.
Big open storage area. Once again, it's not a great starter mattress. I would get rid of that mattress right away. Now, Kira loves all the doors to the bathroom. So you've got multiple ways to go in and out. You can close this off. Pocket door there. Well, that's interesting. Where does that go? Where does that go? Anywhere? Just a big cubby hiding behind your mirror. That's very intriguing. Alright, let's see how I do on this shower. The shower was a step down, giving me so much more headroom. Look at this. I would say 6'6" to the ceiling. That's about 6'9" to 6'10" to that skylight up there. That's excellent. Got a couple shelves here for shampoos and soaps, whatnot. A bit of a seat. If you need a seat, you can make that work. If you want the babies to have this as a tub, that totally would function as a tub down there. That's at least 7-8 inches deep right there. That's actually really cool. You got the 1-year-old and you want to have a little bit of a bath with them, mom can sit here, or dad, with their feet in the water, having the baby down in here, having somewhere to splash around. That's great. Now, Alliance has got a different type of fan than I'm used to. I don't have experience with it. I really like the Max fan that we have, so I scoff at this a little bit, but I don't have any experience. It could be better. I just don't know. So we got this U-shaped kitchen, which is pretty much, it's a one-man show kind of kitchen. You're gonna come in here and you're gonna have everything at your disposal. But you try to bring a second person into this kitchen and it's gonna get crowded. They did bring this over from the $395 Deluxe Suite. That's a external access for your trash. So you can have a trash can in there and get to it from the outside to take your trash out. Excellent. Nice upgraded stove. And I love how they moved a small burner to the front. We've got the Insignia and it's only big burners on the front, and our daughter is constantly using the little burner in the back. It's just a little awkward. Very big oven. Nice open space under the sink. Self-closing latches there. A lot of storage space. That's what we fell in love with the Valors early on. No touch screen controllers. Oh, look at that. Dimmers. Very nice. Slide controls, awning controls, ground effects, water pump, tank heaters. They got tank heaters, y'all. All right, we got pantry on the side. Y'all see the lights in this pantry? Plus adjustable shelves. It's so big, you could take the shelves out and Kaylin could stand in there. Here's the Everchill 12-volt fridge. Works terrific with your solar power. Huge storage over the fridge. Y'all see this? Is that gonna self-close or just stay open? Just stay open. So this is what we like about this model. We've got a dining room table here, and we have seating for 4 could easily sit here. 5
or 6.
So you could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with kind of an awkward, put the kid in the corner.
6.
Nobody puts baby in the corner. Look at that. That's 5 storage doors over the top. And they're, look, they stay open.
Awesome.
What do we keep complaining about? No gas struts. They don't stay open. Magnetically held shut. I wonder, when the slide comes in, does this reclining seat have to go anywhere like the toy hauler room? Because in some of them, that has to move. Now look at, we've got a coffee bar right here. How awesome is that? You come on here and make your tea. Very cool. All right, I'm gonna check out the toy hauler bay. Look at all this storage up here over the TV. Does it self-close? It do. Really big fireplace right there. All right, it's hotter out here. Here's your second optional laundry facility. That's right, you can do washer and dryer in the closet or washer and dryer in the toy hauler bay. Should have a half bath right here. Yep. I doubt I could sit there. Maybe we'll have to have a camera person come hold the camera and let me sit there. Your usual televator system. Usually a queen size bed up top. This can be an optional queen size bed. What we see people do is they take these off and they put desks on them. Something to that effect. Love the lights along the back wall. They also moved this loft. Used to always face into the living room, and now it faces to the toy hauler bay. There's a plus and a minus to that. Our friends Bill and Natasha that have an Alliance Toy Hauler Valor, their son sleeps up there, and then the hauler bay, the toy bay, is their bedroom. Well, how awkward is that now that your son is sharing your bedroom? That makes more sense if the kids are sleeping out here, but if the parents are going to use it, then this just lost its ability to function as another bedroom. Yeah, typically what people do, they'll put desks right there. But you see the height here? You can be very tall and fit under this. And that is why this is so appealing to our friends. Bill is 6'10". So I can see the draw as to why an Alliance Toy Hauler Bay was a good fit for a tall guy. Now I've heard rumors that other toy hauler ramps or patios are not weather sealed. Alliance's is weather sealed, so you can leave it out in the rain and not worry about it. Whereas the other brands, if it's not weather sealed, you're going to have to pull your patio in whenever it rains. A pair of A10s flying over. America. All right, so everybody's really happy with this one because this one appears to be cooling down even faster than the Alliance Avenue. They had the door closed, the AC wasn't really working, and they kicked it on, and I would say that this one cooled down. This has cooled down the fastest out of anything we've been in, right?
Yep.
I noticed that the walls were really thick as we were coming in, so the insulation on this Alliance Valor should be really good. I would love to know what it is all about. Now it's a 109. Toy haulers are always pricey because there's a lot more going into the frame to be able to hold the toy back there. Now what Alliance does is they give you 3 13,500 BTU air conditioners, and you can run all 3 of them on your 50 amp at one time. And that allows you to cool down everything more efficiently. All right, let's check out here. Behind the Kurt Riddle Flex, we've got a storage bay. There's the power inverter right there. Decent amount of space. There is the inverter technology, 5500 generator. We've got 1 battery. Renogy, I think that's a lithium ion, but you've got a lot of space there to add more batteries if you wanted to. And here is the wet bay. Now this is a new system that they're doing. If you want to shut down water to a specific spot, you can do it right here. How cool is that? So let's say we're never going to use the half bath toilet. You can kill it right there. You know that no water's going there. So if you're troubleshooting an issue, you got water coming down from underneath your RV. You come over here and you turn all these off, right? You let it dry up. You turn them on one at a time and you start to try kind of troubleshoot where is the problem. I think that's pretty awesome. We've got a tank flush right there, incoming water. You've got your shower port right there. One of the things Alliance does is it makes easy to just open that up right there and then look inside. All your wiring. There's your water pump right there. You can see the insulated water heater back over there. You've got the ducting for the heater hoses back there. Aluminum frame. I see a little bit of plywood. A little bit of plywood. Alright, here's the water heater in our furnace. So I've had problems where I've had to repair my furnace, had to tear apart everything you saw in there inside, in those wires, just to fix this. Not with these models. Now I can unscrew this panel right here, take it off, and fix. Now, this is the trash chute. Ooh, got a little water in there. That's the countertop to the kitchen. You put your trash can in here. You got your garbage bag. You come out here, you take the trash can out. You handle all your trash outside. Nobody's taking your trash out the front door. Alliance brought cable slides back to the bedroom. That's interesting. Rack and pinion on the living room slide. You guys are going around getting all the tires shined up fancy and pretty. You got the Cree 3000 Moride suspension. Two great big awnings over the top. There's a speaker in the exterior. Some power for outside. What do y'all think of the new color pattern and paint design they've got here for the Valors? That is all new this year.
This is my favorite one so far.
Have you been up to the bathroom and the...
Not yet.
I haven't looked around yet.
Check out the shower and how it's a step down. It could be used, in my opinion, as like a bathtub for babies. Like the mom or the dad could sit on the little stool. It drops like 7 inches. You could close off the drain. You could take the baby in there and turn it into a bathtub.
Yeah.
And I'd say it was 6'9", 6'10", all the way to the skylight.
That's awesome.
So go check that out. What do y'all think? You like this one or no?
0
It's a toy hauler.
Huh?
It's a toy hauler.
So they've lost their love for toy haulers.
0 stars.
Okay.
Oh no.
Oh no. Now compared with some other models that we've been in, this air conditioner is blasting right now, and it feels nice, but we can hear each other.
Yeah.
It does not feel as loud as some of the other air conditioners we've encountered today. And it's actually comfortable in here. Look at that fireplace, Kira. It's so big. Alright, so let's take a look here. Now, this is the air compressor that they put on the Valor. It is on kind of what you would call the passenger side. Alright, y'all. This is the best I've seen so far out of all the reviews I've done. Y'all see that panel right there? I know it's a little dark. Let me brighten it up. There we go. Y'all see that panel right there? That is where you find your external sensor for your auto leveling system. This is on an Alliance Valor. Oh, it's having trouble focusing. I apologize for that. So these are the fuel cans right here, the fuel tanks for your toy hauler. Yeah, when you want to work on that, that's where you work on it. Plus you've got, everything has what looks like probably like a 10mm ratcheted bolt right there. Great looking underbelly for an RV. Tanya and I really enjoyed the 44v14. That is a great fit for us. Comfort-wise, it's cooling down faster than all the rest at a quieter level. The girls, for some reason, have become disenchanted with toy haulers. I don't know what to tell you about that. Aside from the fact they don't like the whole storage situation in the toy hauler bay. So, at any rate, that's going to do it for us here with the Valor 44v14. I want to remind you that life happens. Don't let it stop you. Stay fresh, cheese bags.